Okay, we're here. Well, actually we're right before market open, 20 minutes. So we still have some time to recalibrate some stuff here. Let's see what's going on. I wasn't really checking the charts. Actually, I was, but I just sat down here. So on the left side, we see ES. On the right side, we see Nasdaq. And so far, we tapped into a little bit of liquidity. If we look at it on the 15-minute, ES, then we see we have a fair value gap just below this level. The low of this one is 513.75. So this should be better. And the low of this one, well, by 2 ticks it missed that entry. So we can still go down there for a little bit of liquidity. The trade which we took in London session turned out nice, which is great. Okay, let's push the market. What the hell am I talking about? I don't know. Push the like button. Technically, it's almost like an SMT divergence again. Although 655, well, yeah, we tapped lower. But if we look at the 335 area, then not really. So we can see a little bit of a pop up in ES, but I would like to see NQ to reprice this 15-minute fair value gap slash buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, which is on the 15-minute. So let's put it there, and let's go with a different color. What the heck is this music? All right. This is what we're looking at right now. Going to check for divergence, going to check for order blocks, everything we can check for. So far on the 15-minute, nothing on the 1-minute. Already checking the 5-minute. Yeah, so we're gonna go into, below 13, most likely. VRC, hey there. You deserve the first applause. Welcome. Let me close some tabs here, because there was a lot of stuff I had open. Oh my god, so many tabs I have opened up. Now it's better. How is everybody doing? Drop some likes. We had some nice trades from London session. Ended up nicely. Where is it? Is it in my Discord? Yeah, it is. So this was one, and the other one was this. Pretty nice. I like them. Long on both assets. Okay, into the fair value gap now. So let's see where it goes from here. I'm gonna be looking at ES as well. Maybe we can see a pop higher. Trying to watch. I'm gonna check the 1 hour candles as well. Yeah, nothing there. Let's go back to the 15-minute. Okay. All right. Let's wait. I would like to see this gain some momentum and then go up like crazy. Checking the 1 minute as well. Okay, everything is fine. Everything is fine, fine. Okay. So, nice displacement on the 1 minute would be awesome. I see 560 highs coming in as buy side liquidity, so I'm gonna call out that level. Oh yeah, 560, and this will be buy side liquidity, top right. Buy side liquidity, the color should be like this. All right. Don't need background. Make it bold. All right. So that's what I'm seeing on the 1 minute at least. Looks nice. Let me move this. I was checking the indicator. It was giving some nice signals during the day. I have to tell you that. Actually, during the London lunch hour, it gave some good entries on the Russell, I think. Russell index? Yeah. Let me know what you guys are doing. I'm curious. Anyone is looking to take any juicy trades or something? I'm still bullish on this one. So I'm gonna be staying bullish. That's for sure. Let me know what you guys think, and please also drop a like and do subscribe if you would like to. I'm staying bullish. I'm looking for buy side on Nasdaq at 559.75. Looking for ES as well to pop higher into the 900s. And I'm looking for a historical high right there at 700.06 on NQ. Why? Because it's an all-time high, and we're pretty much in a bullish movement here. It was a nice move here. Price went for liquidity, delivered it here to the sell side. Now it's picking up liquidity again, sweeping some orders, and then boom, we should go. If you go to the 1 minute, it's a very nice, how do I put this, almost like a Grand Canyon from the 8:30 candle. Order block is beautiful. It's a good buy side up there at 59.75, so I'm looking for that. Let me know what you think. I like to target that and maybe higher. I'm not saying today we're gonna go for the 700s, maybe not even until Friday, who knows, but technically speaking, we can also go for internal range liquidity and just, you know, consolidate all day. But I'm definitely looking for the 559 level to be taken out. So there you go. I officially called it before market open. Officially called it before market open. And let's just talk about some other levels. Let me check on. Let me check on the ES levels. What the hell? Oh, this is the dollar index. Sorry, guys. That was the dollar index. Yeah. 4,900. That's what I'm looking at, ES. 4,900. Let's go. Hopefully dollar index will get weak. I'm gonna be checking. Oh, nice displacement on the 1 minute on ES. Sorry, NQ. ES also had a little bit of a displacement, but I have to wait. I want to wait for market open. Not gonna do anything until then. Looks tempting to jump in, but if it reprices lower, then we have to be careful. So let's see if we can get it. Let's get it. Okay, NQ is going higher. Nice. Is there somebody talking? Do we have some news or something? Whatever. Nobody was talking so far. Okay, anyway. I mean, on the 1 minute, it actually broke structure to the upside. Left a small fair value gap. I mean, NQ. ES also pumped higher. Something happened. Some news came out, most likely. But we are right before the market opened, so let's see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes. Do drop the likes, do subscribe, and let's see, 23. It's risky. I'm so tempted to jump into a small long position on the 1 minute, right below 24.75 or 24.50. But before I mean, yeah, it's market open, so very risky. Very risky. Although if you jump in with a super tight, super small position, it can be a good risk reward all the way up to the 60s then, if it goes up. Let's see. MNQ. I'm gonna put a limit order to 2450 with 1 micro. Nothing special. Nothing special. I'll let you guys know if I'm gonna get tapped in. 2450. I might gonna get just stopped out easily at the open. But if not, it's gonna be a hell of a ride. Let's see, ES. Yeah, ES is looking great as well. Nice moves. Nothing on the 5 minutes so far. Small tiny fair value gap on the 5 minute. If this candle would be closing like this, then it can come down to reprice this range and then go higher to the 900s. That would be great. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna flat out. I don't know how this thing's gonna go, so better to stay on the sidelines. No limit order. Deleted. Change my mind. ES can also come back down to reprice this fair value gap down there. A little bit of a liquidity void here on this level below 86.25 on the 5 minute ES. Looks nice though. Let's see. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. NQ is slowly going higher. Yeah, the train is gonna leave without us, guys, but still, well, maybe not. But still, it's quite dangerous to enter at the market open, so let's just wait less than 2 minutes. Back to the fair value gap on the 1 minute NQ. Let's see if it wants to go lower or not. ES also repricing the 1 minute fair value gap. Just before market open. Super risky to jump in. Less than 1 minute. Let's just wait. I had a great walk today. By the way, guys, I'm going to be uploading my new video soon. There's going to be some personal life stuff there and some walking in the woods. It's gonna be awesome. I hope you guys will like it. All right, market is almost open. Cover your ears. The opening bell is gonna start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market is open. NQ is holding. I got into a buy. Maybe I shouldn't have. Looking for the 60s, 59 actually. TP is at 59. It's just a scalp trade. I might close it at break even. Nothing extra. Unfortunately, it's coming back. Yeah, it's coming back. I might close it with a small loss here. But we can still go up there to 59. I think we will. Yeah. 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 Very small, tiny position. Just for the fun. 5 minute is technically reacting to an order block. But we should be tapping up to 59.75. I think we will. Only 10 points away, so there you go. Almost at 59. I wanted to add one more if it dips lower. Okay, TP hit. That's it. It was a quick scalp. Nothing extra. Nothing extra, just a quick scalp. So my overall target would be... definitely higher. But now I just have to wait, and I'm gonna be checking the higher time frames, because I don't know what is gonna happen now. It can use this fair value gap on the 5 minute to dump lower. ES is making new highs. Checking the 1 minute. Yeah, ES made a new high, going to 4,900 most likely. Look at that. NQ might be making new high as well at 82. Watch out. Wait for some kind of a retracement if you want to jump in. Actually, ES made a new high. NQ failed to make a new high. So be very, very, very careful. This might be a sell-off if it's not going to... If NQ is not making a new high, we might be seeing some kind of a sell-off. Have to be careful, guys. Be careful. This is right now is a perfect setup for SMT divergence. And the weaker pair here, the weaker market here is NQ. So be careful. If NQ makes some kind of a shift on the 1 minute, I might take a short if it's unable to push higher. But I think it will, because ES... I think ES wants to go for the 4,900, so it will eventually pull NQ with itself. The Russell index went higher. Nasdaq, yeah, everything is going higher. I think it will. It should break the 82. It should go through 82 now. ES wants that 4,900, it seems like. I'm not into any trade. I made a small scalp earlier. Yeah. I think we're gonna go for 82. Adding a buy. I'm only risking the profit that I made. I'm gonna be scalping for the highs here. I think we're gonna go. I entered at, I don't know where I entered. I entered at 70. I might close it with a small loss if it starts to dump. But as long as ES is looking for the 4,900, my target is to make a new high actually. 81. Should be taking out 81.75. That's my TP right now. This is a scalp trade. This is not an ICT trade or something. Okay. Position taken. I mean TP taken. Nice. Do position. Made a new high as well. ES target should be 4,900 up there. Let me put the marker here at 4,900. Ray left. There you go. So that's the target, and we are going for 706.75. Maybe not today, but be careful. As long as ES wants those highs, we have to be prepared for anything. Now, this is not an SMT divergence because now NQ made a new high as well. So, but it could be a seek and destroy day. So I'm not gonna do anything for now. I'm just gonna wait. And let's see if I have anything. Order blocks maybe on the 5-minute, nothing. Nothing on the 15-minute on NQ. I have nothing. I don't see anything. If this candle is closing like this, we are going to be left with a fair value gap, which means that inside of this potential fair value gap on both markets, we could be looking for possible long entries to attack 4,900, because so far it seems like that is going to be the draw on liquidity. No market structure shift on the 1-minute. No market structure shift there. Okay, so we're cool. Everything is cool. Everything is cool. ES looks like it definitely wants to go for, oh yeah, it repriced. ES repriced the 91 area. Now I think it just wants to go for the 4,900. Tempted to go long on ES, by the way. I'm really tempted to go long on ES. I really am. I don't know. It looks good for the 4,900. But I have nothing other than a small fair value gap on the 1-minute to confirm my target. I think, you know, let's not forget that I think a lot of retail traders might want to attack the 4,900 level too. I don't know. I don't know. As far as I can tell, maybe NQ wants to go higher too. I don't know. I have no idea. Feels a little bit risky. If it leaves this fair value gap down here, I might going to wait for that to cover it. I'm gonna take it slow because I made some nice trades today and I don't want to risk it. I don't want to give back my profits, and so let's just wait. Look at that. NQ is going lower, which is interesting. Decoupled from ES for a little bit. What's up with the Russell? Nothing. Okay. Okay. All right. NQ is still making lower prices while ES is going higher. That's interesting. That's not a good sign. That's like, okay, new 5-minute candle. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe you can enter a long on NQ on this 5-minute fair value gap. Very risky. If ES starts to go lower on the 5-minute to reprice this gap, then NQ is going to make a new low. So that's risky. See? NQ is digging lower. And ES might be looking to get below the 90 level, 48.90 to reprice. So, what the hell? No data? What is going on? Oh, there is an issue with Rhythmic. No matter. We're gonna check the dollar index anyway. Yeah, typical. Rhythmic is having issues as usual. In the meantime, I'm gonna be checking yeah, there's a small issue with Rhythmic. Nasdaq going lower. What's going on with Rhythmic? Let me check my Discord. Hold on. NQ made a new low, but let me check something real quick. I think we have a connection issue. Yeah. NQ made a new low. Yeah, we definitely have a connection issue. I mean, not we, but Rhythmic. Yeah. Might have to restart. All right, still nothing. I wonder if anybody else has this error. Yeah. Still not good. Let me restart this. Let me restart this. Maybe we will reconnect. Maybe. Otherwise, there's really nothing here. No major move. Yeah, it's still connecting. All right. We got connection back again. Look at the seek and destroy pattern right here. That's why I did not want to jump into a long. Now, we made a new low and ES actually didn't. So this is quite interesting. ES did not make a new low, although on the 40, well, dug into a little bit of liquidity, but no entry on the 1 minute as well. Still feels like ES wants to go for the 4900s. Tempting, not gonna lie. Let's see if we get it. All right, guys. I'm still watching this. I think ES is gonna go for the 4900. Still interesting though. I mean, this made a new high. It's almost like a bearish breaker on NQ. So quite interesting. Like higher high, lower low, fair value gap, market structure shift. It definitely looks like a bearish breaker, but until ES is not taking this high at 4900, it's gonna be interesting for sure. I think ES should go for the 4900 first, and then we will see. But it's definitely interesting. There you go, almost like 2 handles away from the 4900. On the 1 hour we have a low at the 400s. The best liquidity area on the 1 hour is below 385.25. I do like that area. I think ES, okay, we definitely have a connection issue again. Nice. Hello Zoltan, servus. As you can see, Quant Tower is having some issues, but it's happening all day. I don't know, I think Rhythmic has an issue. I don't know what the heck. I just can't trade like this. It's a good thing that I don't have any positions on. It's terrible. Terrible. Okay, now it's back. It's a seek and destroy pattern for now. It looks like it actually. We're very close to touch the 4900, but it looks like NQ is actually having an issue here with the bearish breaker. So let's see. All right. I'm still looking for ES to go to 4900. Let's hope that it will get there. I'm in a buy position from 94, 94.50. So let me put it out there. 94.50 is my entry. My TP is 99.50. So I hope it will get there. 94.50. Not the best risk reward, I know that. 99.50 is my TP. And my stop is down there. $94.50. Okay, so that's the trade. Looking for that 4900, although NQ has a bearish breaker here. Took out everyone, but I still think it should go higher. But I'm gonna be watching that carefully. $99.50. I would like to take that level. Just ain't right. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I hope you had a good rest. Had some nice trades during the London session. I let them go actually. To go into the New York Hill zone, but eventually they took profit, so that was good. Oh, look at ES. What a crazy move. Look at that. Almost up there. We do have some sellers that want to push price lower. I think because everybody is looking for the 4900, it's gonna have a hard time up there. Yeah. Let's look at NQ. NQ might be breaking lower. Look at that. I might have to close this small trade with ES before stop loss if it turns around. But so far, ES is still fighting. It's still fighting for it. Oh yeah, I got some sleep. I took a walk actually. I'm gonna be making a new video, by the way, for you guys. I'm already editing a new video. Hopefully, I'm gonna upload it tonight or tomorrow. It's gonna be called something like a day in my life as a full-time trader or something like that. It's gonna be a little bit personal, but let's just see. Let me take a quick call, just a second. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we're still waiting, Nothing special. NQ is edging lower. Look at that. Okay, took out my stop. Nice, nice. I think we're gonna see a sell-off here, unfortunately. NQ is the one that actually is playing it a little bit dirty this morning. Let's see. Okay. So NQ went lower. Now if we check the ES, then it seems like that we might be going for this liquidity down there, but still, it's quite interesting. If NQ makes a new low, which it seems like it can do, the bearish breaker is working so far, then, you know, I might be getting into a new long on ES. Who knows? I do like this trade very much. I was just having a tight stop there. That was the problem on my end. So yeah, tried to recoup that trade somehow. It actually poked into this fair value gap on the 5-minute, right down there, here. So I don't know if that was enough for it to make a new high. Let me check. Yeah, so I don't know if it wants to go again, but my stop was a little bit tight. So I gave it a second chance from 4890.50 again to target the 99.50s. So let's hope we will get some result or something. Let's see if it wants it or not. NQ is still down there, but I feel like ES might want to go for another round. Still in it to win it. Okay, let's see if ES finally wants to break that 4900. Nasdaq is in a barcode chart right now. Nothing is happening with Nasdaq. Nothing on the 5-minute for Nasdaq. Seems like NQ and ES can go both ways. Take out the highs, then finally go lower. Yeah, it might be, but I feel like that before going lower, ES might want to at least touch the 4900 level. We're very close, only like 5 handles away from 4900, so ES can make it in a minute if it wants to, or 2 or 5 minutes. So it's not a big distance for ES, and you know, let's see what it wants to do with it. It's definitely interesting what it's doing right now. NQ is, I think, typical seek and destroy, by the way. So took out the lows, took out the highs, took out another lows, another high, another low. Now this is a typical seek and destroy day so far. So I'm wondering, all this liquidity that has been taken, everybody was squeezed. What do they want to do? Logical thing would be to accumulate all these orders, and they should deliver it higher. I don't know, but it's hard to tell. Right now, ES is definitely having a little bit of a struggle here as well, just like NQ. Because they pretty much took everything. So the only logical target would be to go higher, but I don't know. NQ is also, well, consolidating so far. I don't see anything special. Nothing special in this price action so far. The only thing I did see is it squeezed everybody out. Anyway, please push the like button, because we're just waiting for NQ and ES to give us the direction. I'm still favoring the 4900 up there, and I'm still bullish on the big picture for NQ. So let's see. So it's only 5 handles for ES to tap into 4900. I wonder if they're gonna play that or not. Let's see. Are we going to have this one or not? Moving some lines here. Almost there. Come on, 4,900. Shouldn't be a big deal, but I have no idea what NQ wants to do on these levels. Absolutely no idea. Well, the only move we have right now is to go into the 4,900s. Nothing else. Anyway, I have my stops in order. I have to go out to drink something and gonna use the bathroom. I'll be back in a few minutes. And that's it. I hope that ES is gonna go higher. And I hope we're not gonna lose connection. Okay, be right back. Please drop a like. Thank you. All right, we're back. We're back. What is going on? Let's see. Well, ES is still at the same position. NQ is not doing anything. So guys, this is pretty much like a seek and destroy scenario. It definitely looks like it. If I would see NQ to make a lower low, that's also fine. But then, let me check the hourly. I might have to close the ES trade. It's a small position still, but I don't want to give back my profits from earlier London session. So I'll see what I can do. I was hoping for ES to touch the 4900. It could be a trap to lure everyone into the buys and then, you know, push everyone down again. Anyway, NQ made a new low. ES failed to make a new low, so that is good for our ES trade. That is definitely good for the ES trade right there. In fact, so good that I might even consider to add to it, but I'm gonna wait for what NQ wants to do here on this level. 4900 is definitely in the crosshairs. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's making lows. Not good for the ES trade. Considering to close it manually, I think it's gonna break lower. Might be breaking this level here to tap into the daily discount. As for NQ, I don't know the targets. I don't know where it's heading to. The next reasonable level for NQ would be down at below the 40. Well, below the 400s. Yeah, below the 400s. Small fair value gap at, let's see, below 464. So to the 450s, it can go all the way down to the 450s. And so far, I have no idea. If I check the 15-minute chart on ES, let's look at that. 15-minute chart. This looks so far okay. This is a bullish order block that we are reacting right now on the ES, which is good. I'm still feeling somewhat okay with this trade because there's a bullish order block holding it back to the upside. So I don't know, but I don't like what I see on NQ. I don't like that. So let me go back to the 5-minute. Yes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to close it. It's gonna take out the daily low. So yeah, I'm out. There you go. I'm out from the trade. Gave back some of my profits, actually most of my profits from earlier, so that's not good. Definitely a seek and destroy pattern here. Oh man, don't like that. I don't even know what to look for now because it took out the 905. This one took it out as well. Still, I think, you know, ES takes out everyone here and then it can go back up again. Let me check the Russell. Nothing there. Nothing on the Nasdaq. on the indicators. Let's just wait. Let me know what you guys are thinking or doing. This is definitely looks like a seek and destroy pattern. So let's wait for it. Look at that. Look at the dirty move from ES. Wow. Dirty move. Took out the lows and now seems like it wants to go up again. What a dirty move. I'm gonna check on the 30-second just for curiosity of what it's doing there. Nothing. Okay. Okay. Back to the 1 minute. So no entries. Nothing is happening. Okay. Let's see what's going on. Everybody is live streaming. Okay. Let's hope for the best. Because so far I don't see anything at all that interests me. Oh, Kimmel is streaming. Nice. Let's check him out. Or maybe not. Never mind. Nothing is going on. This is typically a day where you don't really want to be in the market. All right. Not looking for anything special here. This day is definitely not the one that we're looking for. We took out this low, so the only way that I would jump into a buy position is if we would have that kind of displacement to the upside, which we don't have yet. Technically, let's see. Well, we're still in the kill zone, but who knows? Nothing is happening. What is going on? The markets are dead. I might even stop streaming, you know. There's nothing that's moving. We're gonna wait until the end of the silver bullet session, but I don't see anything special in this trade. I mean, in this price action today. Perfect seek and destroy. Lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, lower low. I don't like it. I don't like the move. Maybe ES could show us something, but it won't. Just don't have the move. Come on, come on. I'm still looking at the Russell index. Maybe it will have something for us. Let me see. Do we have any news? No news, by the way. Yeah. No, does not interest me. So we're just waiting. The only thing I'm waiting for is maybe a possible long entry with a nice displacement, but we're not having anything on these levels. Liquidity is below 50, 450. It can go there actually. Took liquidity on the 5 minute. It can go to the 50s. Nasdaq. I don't know. We're just waiting. In the house, yeah, Trader Oracle. What's up? What's up? I checked the Methodical man. He was having a short stream, right? He's off. Where is he? What a session, guys. What a typical seek and destroy session. Well, oh, okay, okay. Had some IRL stuff to do. All right, all right. He's a gentleman. Okay, what is happening, guys? This session is just so bad. I mean, these are not the movements that we're looking for. Typically the session where you don't get to do anything. Untradeable. Untradeable, guys. But at least we know that. I mean, maybe ES would do a nice displacement to the upside there, but no. It's just consolidating. I'm not going to take a trade until I see some great move. Let's see what is going on. NQs seem to go down still. I don't know. We are below the 500, so I can imagine that this one gonna dump below the 50s. '50s has a, let's see, the 50s actually do have a, no way, we went to that. The low was 64, so we're already in that. 64s. So where's the next? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, we're dumping. Continuing to dump. No trade for me right now. Maybe should have taken this 5-minute fair value gap here, but I missed the move, so still, where's the 50s? The 50, yeah, the 50s could be tapped here. Whole number. It's pretty close. Wouldn't be surprised if it gets tapped here. Now it's retracing a little bit. Not too much. Yeah, almost at the, there you go. Now in the 50s. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Below 50 actually. So where we go from here, I have no idea. We dropped pretty strong here. Look at that, we're still going. No news. No news. Below the 50s now. ES is giving up. What is ES doing, by the way? I have no idea what is ES doing. ES can go all the way to 77, it seems like it. Look at that. I want to reprice that 77 level. Wow. That's interesting. Could go for that. Could go for that, but so far nothing. Next reasonable liquidity would be below here, that 77 area. Maybe lower, but on the 5-minute, well, we still need a few seconds to close this candle, and then maybe we have a chance to break lower. Back to 81. Nasdaq is holding the 50s. Almost made a new time high. New all-time high, sorry. And ES was close as well. I might going to wait for this 5-minute candle. Let's see if it leaves a fair value gap or not. To maybe take a short. Come on. Come on. Yeah, we still need... I think the move has been made so far, so... Okay, nice pullback on ES. Retracement, that is. NQ is looking to go higher. ES failed to make a new low, but there is no market structure shift so far. So we still have to wait. But we did have a nice pullback on Nasdaq, on the 1 hour especially. Let me check it. Yeah. Can still go below the 400s, but all depends on ES as well. Nasdaq made a new daily low. ES failed to make a new daily low, so that is still a bullish sign. So if I see a nice structural shift on the 1 minute, I might take the ES, but not something I'm forcing right now. It did dirty. It almost went to the 4900. It feels like it might want to sweep some orders maybe below the daily low. Who knows? On ES there is a, let me see. Do we have an order block? No, no order block. Small liquidity was at 85. I don't know. If they wanted to go to 77, I don't know. So far repriced a little bit of a fair value gap on the 1 minute. Is this going to be enough for it to go down? I'm not sure. So far NQ made a nice move. I'm gonna be careful here. I'm gonna be waiting for a potential structure shift. I'm in favor of longs still. So as for structure shift, I'm definitely targeting still the 4900s, but I'm looking for an entry on the 1 minute. No market structure shift on the 30-second as well on ES, so still waiting. Actually, we do have some nice liquidity below 17,416.25. That's not too far. 16.25. Let me put a marker here. 16.25. That's the next sell side on the 1 hour. Otherwise, I don't know. ES spiked down. Looking at NQ, nothing on the 1 minute. Now comes the decision making. Are we going to dump lower or are we going to shift higher? If there's going to be no shift to the buy side, then the next target is 416.25, but I still don't have an entry. Although maybe I could have taken the inversion gap. Not sure. Not sure. Feels like it still wants to dump. All the way down to the 16s. I don't know. At least that's what it feels like. So let's wait. some lines in. Okay, nothing interesting so far. Yeah, there's definitely sell side below the 416, but I don't know if it wants to go down there. Or is it just going to consolidate here? Feels heavy though, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm deleting my limits. I have no trades. I have nothing to go for here. I wish I would, but I just have no entry. ES is dropping lower. NQ seems like it's gonna go for that 16, maybe. Feels like it. As I said, liquidity is down there. I might jump in with a scalp. Who knows? There. Let's go to maybe the 18s. That would be a scalp to go lower. But now it's going higher. At least it's holding. ES is rejecting those lows, which is partially a good thing or a good sign, but I'm not sure. Looking at the indicators, nothing happening there. Next liquidity level is definitely at 418. Well, sorry, 416 on NQ. ES made a new low here. Finally. Now we could see NQ to turn around, maybe. Who knows? ES made a new daily low, which is interesting. Now we might be seeing some kind of a shift to the upside, maybe. Just maybe. Are we going to drop or are we going to go lower? Who knows? Still some targets there at 20. Yeah. Anyway, until we're waiting, please drop a like and subscribe. You know, that would really help out the stream and the channel, and it's free. And that's it. Let's see if NQ wants to take this lower and tap into some more liquidity down there. There is definitely a fair value gap on the 1 hour below 16.25. I don't know if it wants it or not. Or let me know what you guys think it's gonna go. Any levels or formations that might be interesting. We might be having a shift here. Get ready. That would be great. Gonna check ES too. Yeah, ES is looking great for a shift, but we need the displacement. We do have a shift. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. All right, I do like that. I like the fact that ES has a market structure shift on the 1 minute. I do like that. Oops, sorry. Pushed the wrong button here. ES has a market structure shift on the 1 minute, which is a good sign. Let's see if NQ wants to take that or not. Top 5. Easy money today. Well, yeah. Unfortunately, I I did not trade the dump here on NQ, but I'm just looking for maybe this one can go back higher to reprice some levels. But yeah, we'll see. I try to take a trade on ES maybe. Who knows? And I would be interested to take it on NQ as well. Maybe we will have something. Putting in some orders. We might have something. I don't know. Overall, in the big picture, I'm still bullish on ES, but maybe it was not today that it wants to go higher. Maybe everything just looks to dump. It seems like it. It definitely seemed like it. For example, I'd like to see Nasdaq go back above the 490s, but I'm not sure if this push is helping or not. ES has a nice long entry on the 1 minute. Let me show you 1 minute. Right there. Nice long entry. So that looks good. So I would like to see ES to try once more. Maybe. Maybe. One more try to go to the 90s. Actually go to 88. Should be fine. If it wants to go there, who knows. But most likely I'm looking for an ES all-time high. DJ, hey there. Nice to see you. By the way, everybody deserves an applause. Welcome everyone to the stream. Please push the like and do subscribe if you would like to. How is everyone doing? I'm looking NQ to reprice some of those levels up there, and definitely looking for ES to go back and try to attack 4900 again. But so far it seems like we're pretty much bearish. I thought that if it takes out enough liquidity, it might change the whole perspective and might go for the new highs, but seems like it's not. It might be dumping hard. I'm still curious if it's gonna go higher or not. I mean, at least tap into some higher liquidity or not. Okay. It is what it is, you know. 1 hour candle is still some time to close. Maybe the 15-minute wants to reprice. I'm not sure about that. What do we have on the 15-minute chart on NQ? Do we have some liquidity? A little bit, not too much. Not too much, to be honest. So let's see where it wants to go. Does it want to grab some liquidity or what? There's still a nice high on the 1 minute right above 89. Actually, sorry, 490 ish area. Wonder if it wants to take it or not. Unfortunately, I gave back most of my profits from today because I was so eager to go long on ES. So, but it is what it is. Let me know what you guys think. A little bit slow day for me, to be honest. A little bit slow. this happens. Still feel like NQ can go above 90. But this can be also a bearish order block. So we can dump lower. Let's see, ES 5 minute. Hold on, let me refresh. Okay. Yes, 5 minute. Yeah, right there. Not the greatest session, that's for sure. I just don't have any particular setup here. Almost going to the 89s here, but I don't know. I don't know. Was looking so good to take out the let me see, what's the high? 90.25 here. The high is 90, so the 490. Still tempted. Take it out, but don't know if it want to or not. Just with a spike, that's all we need. A spike to the 90s. That's all we need. $405 potential bearish order block on the 15. Sorry, 504. Let me check. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Let me check it. Hold on. Let me check it. Let me check it. Let me check it. 504. 15 minute. Yeah, I see what you mean there. Almost, not a perfect one. I see what you mean there, Zoltan. But the problem is, for me, with this order block, technically, I would say that yes, this can be an order block. But the problem for me with this level is that, hold on, is that the up close candle here, which is the 945 candle, is, well, it's not taking out any kind of liquidity. But if we put a FIB tool here, oh, sorry, and here, then it almost went up to the consequent encroachment, and then it started to fall from there. I like that, but I don't know. I still think that we should be taking out the 90 level first, which is only 5 points away. It's very close. I don't know. I just don't like that this up close candle and this wick here didn't take out any sort of liquidity, any major liquidity. That's why I don't like that so-called order block here. But it did change structure here. So the 10-15 candle definitely changed structure to the downside, and it was a strong down move, so I give it that. I'm just not sure that this was a strong one. I mean, I don't know. We should be breaking through the 90s now. Come on, let's break the 490. Feels like it wants it, but it's having trouble. On the 1 minute I'm looking at it, but I'm not into any position. Let me check my indicators. Do we have anything? Nothing. Nothing there. Nothing on the Russell. We should be taking out the 490. Question is, what happens if we take out the 490? Are we going to dump in this small fair value gap here? That's what interests me, most likely. If I go down to the 5 minute, look at that. Let me reload the history here. So, if we take that fair value gap, actually it's not that, that's the 15 minute, but still almost the same. Are we going to break lower, or are we going to go through to the highs again? I have no idea about that. Should be breaking the 490 now. Only 1 point away. Come on. We need to tap into that's a small liquidity pocket there. It needs that. It needs that small liquidity. I'm not jumping in because the risk reward is bad, but look at that, only 2 ticks, 1 tick away. There you go. 90 level has been tapped. Should go into that. There you go. 90 point there. Okay, 91. So we tapped into that fair value gap. And now I have no idea what's going to happen. Are we going to drop from here to new levels down there? If you want to risk it, you can take a short to target the lows again. But be careful. Actually, I'm tempted to jump into a short, but you know. On the 1 minute we have an order block above 500. So we can still seek above 500. Not a perfect order block, but still. Look at that. We're going down from the 90s. On the 5 minute, I would say there is an order block on the 5 minute. You know what? I'm not sure. As long as ES is fighting for the highs, I'm just not sure I want to take that. But it definitely, it is tempting to take a short on that. Maybe with a small position. I'm thinking about it, guys. I'm thinking about it, but it would be a perfect place to enter here. All right, 1 micro. Entered 1 micro. But if it goes too much higher, I'm just gonna leave it that. And looking to make a new low, maybe down to the 40s. That's what I would be looking for. Let me update 48825, but it's a very small position. If if I lose this one, it's gonna be still fine. There's no other major liquidity here that interests me. If it goes up, I should decide where's my stop loss gonna be, where it doesn't really hurt too much. Okay, it's a short. Short default. Okay. So my entry is 88.25. It's down there. Not good. 88.25. I'm not sure. My TP would be down there at 38. So my worst case risk reward should be, well, stop loss should be up there maximum, but I don't like how it's grinding up there. I thought that we're going to utilize this 5-minute gap and just drop down sharply down again to take out some more liquidity on the higher time frames. But I'm looking to kill this trade, actually. I'm looking to kill this trade if I have to. Crypto Panda, good morning, good morning. Enter to a small position here on Nasdaq, hoping that it will take this 5-minute gap and fall down, but doesn't really want to. In fact, seems like it wants to go higher and take out the 526. So I think I'm gonna kill this trade. It's only a small loss, a tiny loss, and I'm willing to exit. Unfortunately, next fair value gap is 511. I don't like that move. It looks bullish. Damn it. Looks bullish, guys. They were dumping it so hard. I thought that we're gonna go down to the 400s, all the way down, because there is a 1 hour fair value gap down there as well. There's just nothing. Equilibrium is 515. Yeah. You know what? Good observation. I might just kill it. If it trades above this, I mean, if it closes above this fair value gap, I might just go into kill the trade. If it closes above this gap, I'm just gonna close. I mean, it's fine. I don't want to do anything crazy. But if we continue to dump, make a new low, reprice some fair value gaps down, then so be it. ES is having a hard time anyways, so since everybody wants to make those new highs, it might be just wants to reprice some lows here. So let's see. Please do drop a like and subscribe if you can help out the stream. And grab some of the discounts, guys. It's still, Apex has a 71% discount. My Funded Futures first account, 50% from the starter evaluation. Go check it out. And if you're a new customer at TOPSTEP, you can still have a one-time 20% discount. So go for it. Use my links and codes. They are the best discounts right now. I don't like this move. I think we're gonna go to 511, so I'm just gonna kill this trade. Okay, I killed the trade, closed it. That's it. I don't like it. I don't think they're gonna dump it. I think they're gonna just push it to 511. I don't like that. Anyway, I'm starting to overtrade. I'm still in a slight profit for today. So I think I'm just gonna wait. Let me know what you guys think about this. Oh, actually, I might have a... Oh yeah, some limit orders that's stuck here. Where are they? Yeah, let me delete those limit orders. Okay. It can still go to the 511 area, which I don't like. Let me delete this as well. And let's go with that. There is a fair value gap on the 1 minute higher, and I don't know if they still want to dump it on these levels. Can still go higher all the way up to 511. If it breaks the 500 with an up close candle, yeah. Yes, already hit equilibrium way before NQ. Yeah. Anyway, I think I'm gonna stay flat, and that's it. I'm tired as well. I have to edit some video, upload it tonight or tomorrow to YouTube. I hope you guys will enjoy it. We had some nice London sessions, so I might gonna be looking for that. So look at that. It might want to break the 500 level here. Who knows? You know what would be real awesome? If they take out everyone and then once again deliver price to buy side again. That would be a complete seek and destroy scenario. Let me look at the high. The high of this candle is 1075. Yeah. So if we're looking at this fair value gap here, this is still in play. Right there. What the hell is this color? Come on. So that fair value gap is still in play right now. On the 1 minute. And it's a significant high there, so that's dangerous. But of course there are orders. There are orders there, so let's just stay calm. And that's it. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna close it here. I'll be back in the London session. I don't want to take any more trades. Thank you so much for being here. And please drop a like, do subscribe, use my links, and I'm gonna be back in the London session in the morning. So thank you for joining. Have a great morning or evening. And this is a seek and destroy pattern, so be careful. See you guys tomorrow. All right, thank you so much for joining. Drop those likes. See you guys next time. Cheers.